Being charged with a drug offense is not the same as being convicted. That's a question and an answer we like to give all the time. In any prosecution when dealing with the police, remember, exercise that right to silence. You have it as a result of your constitutional rights. Use it. It's there for a reason. Don't give the police any more evidence than they already have. And remember, every person you come in contact with after you've been arrested is there to gather evidence against you, and that evidence will ultimately come out at your trial. That's why that right to silence exists. Use it. When you're dealing with a drug prosecution, remember the Crown has a number of things that they have to prove. From things as simple as possession, proving you actually had the drugs, to things like cultivation, which means you produced the drug, importation means you brought the drug in, or trafficking proves you're the person who trafficked the substance in question. The law sets out a number of requirements the Crown has to prove. These are important things to remember in your defense, because without proof of any of these elements, or some of them, you're easily going to be acquitted of these charges. And that can be the difference between a conviction and an acquittal, you knowing what the charge is. We're here to explain that to you. We'll tell you about the charge. Remember that each prosecution is reliant upon evidence, and that evidence is only as good as what's gathered by the police. We'll show you what is and what isn't going to be useful in your trial, and we'll show you what your defenses are. You need to know this. That's why I always say the simple rule: don't say anything over the phone that you don't want heard in court.